All right, so once you have that bracket removed, this heat or the shield removed right here, now you have access to the wastegate itself, which is right there. And there's two little bolts that bolt the wastegate onto the turbo. That's it. That's literally all there is. And then just a 10mm nut that you use to unscrew the rod itself. And so what we did is, because we didn't have any type of tools to take those out, because you have an oil line that's right in the way, and we just didn't have a skinny enough tool. We had tools, but they were too fat to get up into the what are they called, bolts. And so we kind of jimmy rigged this thing. We welded this. I had my friend Greg weld me on this guy, which gives me the length and the skinniness of the shaft to get up in there, so I could take those two bolts out. What were they, Greg, again?
T30.
They're T30s, the bolts are. And so you're just gonna get all the way up in there, and those T30s are, excuse me, with the everywhere on the, but they're right there. There's one, and then there's another one back up in there. Anyways, that's all you do is take that off, and then you unloosen this nut. Right there. That's the nut you unloosen, and then you'll just twist it out and unplug the plug to your actuator. And that's literally all you do to undo it. So I'm gonna unplug it right now and take those out, but I'm not gonna use the camera because it's too hard. So I'll get you when I come back.